Firing of the special 2. 40k damage, damn son!
Wait a damn minute. What?
Bruh.
Hey there guys, as for Samurai here, and I have been playing MCOC guys since last 3 months, and I have managed to get some pretty decent champions like 5-star Sabertooth, 4-star Nick Fury, Doom, Odin, and pretty much few 4 stars, also some 3 stars, but they are absolutely useless. They were used while the arena was there, but now it's pointless playing arena because you can't get a new character of it. They just give you shards, so it's kinda useless. And here my current strongest champion is the Sabertooth. That's all I got. Yeah, call me noob if you want, but as a free to play player I just need to invest more time in it to get more strong characters. So now for me there is no challenging content here which I can clear, but today I'm gonna be showcasing Odin in this Realm of Legends, which is beyond hope and has recommended team level of over 9 million. And believe me, none of my champions can clear this. No, not Nick Fury, not Sabertooth, not even Doom. You need a freaking 5-star rank 4 champion to do this. But yeah, I have got Odin with rank 3 by 30. And yeah, now I want you guys to take a look at his attack stat. I have set some synergies which got him up to 664 attack rating. It's a joke, it's nothing, it's not gonna help us guys. Let me show you a piece of text that will help us in this fight. Let me scroll through it. He's got too much abilities, like I'm not gonna read all this. Yeah, this one. The last hit deals a burst of direct damage for each Odin's unique buffs, each dealing 2.75% of the opponent's max health up to 5000 something. So guys, I thought this thing was capped at 5000, but when I thought I should check it, I was completely mind blown. Like that thing worked as a multiplier with his attack stat guys. And we are also gonna be using his pre-fight abilities. That's a sweet little bonus we have right there. Like this third stroke and drop in air. Third stroke will give us some attack I believe, and this drop in air thing will reduce the damage I took from all the hits and specials. Stormbreaker is useless because Winter Soldier is obviously not a shock damage champion, but it's cool to have it because Thor has a Stormbreaker, you know. Also, let's take a look at his special 3. It's gonna give us the double buffs, all the buffs he has with his, I believe it's only attack and armor goes double, and his special attack ones make the spear glowy guys, and the heavy attacks buffs the potency of our fury and armor ups. I thought these were useless, but it's not guys, it's really worked out pretty well. It's much stronger than bleed and stuff, like it makes him so much tanky. I will show you guys. And now let's take a look at synergies I am using. So first one is this one with Mephisto. It gives him 20% attack rating I believe for each champion alive. And with the Doom and Mr. Fantastic I am just using this 6% attack buff, this Nemesis one. And another one which we are gonna using will be Nick Fury. He's already dead. Like this stat, it's give 10% attack to heroes but doubled if he's dead. So we are gonna be sacrificing Nick Fury in order to get the full potency of the synergy. And before we start this, let's take a look at my account guys. Like This is not something we are used to do. Like, it's only a 3 months account. None of my champions can do this. Like, take a look at my 4 stars. My only 4x40 champion is Nick Fury, and Sabertooth, the 5 star, he takes just too much damage, guys. The only champion would be able to do it is Wolverine, but it takes just too long to chip out his HP. Like, Wolverine's attack rating is so low, guys. It's not even worth it. And I will be covering more MCOC videos in future. I am free to play, but I love this game. This game is very free to play friendly. It got huge rosters of characters and it's all free to play. I have got so many characters, and the story mode I have only cleared this Thanos. It's pretty easy, so I didn't thought necessary making content on it. And yeah, let's go sacrifice Nick Fury. Well, that was a perfect combo. I am gonna give him the same, guys. So let's go activate his pre-fight abilities. Like, how do you spell even these? Like Thirst Rock, Dropper it's so funny. Lol. Let's activate Stormbreaker anyways because it's cool. It's not gonna help us in the fight. Bonus meme, guys. And here we go, the fight starts right here. A very successful heavy with a crit. I'm gonna be fighting this very simple and straightforward. I can dodge his specials, but I won't because I have to flex his armor. Dude, look at those shiny great golden armor. Like, he can simply face tank those. So why not just block? So let's fire his special 3. Winter Soldier goes wee. Haha, lol. His TS3 animation looks so dope. A successful block right there. Now I'm gonna be using the special one, and we got true strike and block proficiency of it, which is gonna be doing true damage and give us more tankiness, I believe. So let's go. Hey bro, stop being such a dick and stop spamming freaking special ones, dude. Hit my special 2. Yeah, 10k crit and almost 40k burst damage, dude. Like, Odin, he's crazy, man. Let's go with the combo. So another successful special 2 right there. Well, the first hit wasn't a crit, but it's okay damage. Dude, this Winter Soldier is being such a dick, bro. Like, he spams a special 1 every time he gets them. Like, it's so annoying. Can you not please spam special ones every often you get them? Haha, you thought you could kick me, but you can't. This Winter Soldier is freaking human with his Man Force guns. Eat my Odin Force, dude. Again he goes off with his pesky little special ones. As you guys can see, my Odin Force is down. We gotta make it stand, and it's up now. So let's go shred this dude. Again special bumps. Dude, this guy is annoying as hell. Let's dodge his sneaky little heavy. And like, bro, can you stop? Dude, stop spamming. Again, bro, he goes again with the special ones, dude. This guy is so annoying. Like, yeah, keep spamming those specials ones and I will keep spamming my special too. Eat it again. Eat these Odin Force. Again he tries his stupid heavy attack, but we won't fall for it, guys. Finally a special 2. Huh, special 2s from Winter Soldier are a dream now. Like, I gotta buy the crit mastery. I don't even have it. That's why we are not critting very often, but like, He's gonna go. Wow, dude, that damage was insane. That went from straight 9% to 2%. Did you guys saw that? And he's down, guys. He's down. He's dead, gone. Absolutely comboed into the freaking oblivion, the black hole. Well, that was a very satisfying and perfect gameplay right there. And now let's check how much health we have remaining. Wow, dude. Like he's got more than 50%. I can also destroy Captain Marvel now. But that's a video of another time. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching.